Briana Marie, and today's tutorial is going to be on this all blown out smoky look. This is a fall look, my first fall look of today. I will have another one for you coming up soon. I can't wait till you see it. I was ranting on YouTube about, on Instagram about how YouTube is not the same no more. And then I just wanted to tell you that this look is so pretty. It is so bomb. Like, I wanted to do a great look, but I never knew like what would be the right time to do it. Hope that y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I will be talking a little bit in this video. Just ranting. I don't know, just ranting. I'm not a tea type girl, so y'all hear me say that in the video. But if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Today we are starting off with eyebrows. I usually don't start my eyebrows off on camera. You'll just see like a little snippet of it. But I'm going to use Top Brow by Kiss Professional. It's called Top Brow in Deep Dark Brown. And I'm just going to outline my brows. But y'all, it's like literally, you have to get motivated nowadays to do YouTube videos because like everything on YouTube is like messy. Like, it's about mess. It's not about people coming to see like your work or anything like that. It's just like they want to see tea. They thrive off of tea. I gotta keep my pencil as low as possible when it comes to doing the brow. Because I don't want to go overdraw them and make them like really big. I'm definitely gonna make a video on why I feel as YouTube isn't the same anymore. I just feel like it's not the same. I'm a messy person. I just come on YouTube. I do what I need to do, like my tutorial. What I not need to do, what I love to do. Do my makeup tutorials. Sometimes I do want to do like pranks and stuff like that, but I don't know. I just feel like I love makeup. I love makeup, but I'm gonna do some pranks. But I just feel like, I don't know, some people just get bored with that. Just basically filling my eyebrows in with Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Chocolate. Y'all already know how it goes. Y'all probably like, okay, well, chocolate is lighter, so why would you fill it in? Why you didn't fill it in like the chocolate first and then do the pencil and to do a dark in the inside? But I don't know, I just like it this way, especially when I go in the front of my brows. It makes it way better. Sometimes I just go over the chocolate. Over the Kiss Professional with chocolate. I'm not a messy person. I don't like mess. I actually hate mess. I just feel like nowadays it's like the world is filled with mess. Like, you can't even open up your motherfucking social media without hearing a bunch of mess. Like, that's not my cup of tea. I don't like mess. I stay far away from it as possible. Like, I mean, I don't open up or talk about anything because I don't know. That's just me. Sometimes I do it on like Instagram Live and stuff like that, but still with is MAC Portland Wear Concealer in MC45. I love MAC Portland Wear Concealer. Y'all always will see me use this all the time. I just feel like me and my cousins and stuff like that, I just like we a different breed. Like, I don't know, we just don't like that drama. We real chill, goofy, and funny. Like, I don't know, we just not with that drama stuff. Like, and like we real caring. Like, I don't know, it's just like, I don't know, it's like not many people out there. It might be people out there like us, but I just feel like we are so different from other people. Like, I don't know, we just not about that. We just about having fun. Then we talk about a lot of stuff. We talk about death, see ourselves, like living arrangements and stuff. Like, it's just like, I don't know, like I'm a different type of person. Like, I'm different. I don't know, I just feel like I should have been born in 1960 or 1970 something. Like I should have been like my mama age or something. I don't know. I just feel like older than when I am. In the day, like things back in the day was like way better. Well, maybe not better, but if y'all get what I'm saying, like better as today. Like it's, I don't know, it's actually harder for us today. The day it was like probably hard, but like kids had more fun back in the day than kids today. Like I don't know, just my opinion. First shade I'm going to add is on my brow bone. It's my C469 Precision Concealer Brush. The brush that I was telling you all about to cut the crease. I'm just going to apply my brow bone shade with this. The last brush that I used to fill in my eyebrows with was a 263 angle brush from MAC. And the brush that I used to actually apply my concealer and smooth it out, well, not apply my concealer, but actually buff out my concealer, is the 142 concealer buffer brush by Zoeva. This Guilt Trip, because this has been my favorite from the Jaclyn Hill palette. This Makeup Addiction Cosmetics Vintage palette. It looks like this. I have this brown shade. It's like a greenish brown shade. The Morphe 504 brush. And to go in with Autumn Sunset from Melkior Shadows. Go in with the Savannah Desert from Makeup Addiction Flame and Love palette, 514 brush, and I'm gonna put it right under that Autumn Sunset. Onto the 35B palette, I'm going to grab this black right here with a Morphe 506 brush. It's like a tiny brush because I want it to be real defined. I'm going to go all the way in the front because when I cut it, I want the black to see throughout. So with black, you just want to start off slow. Just pick some up, pat it on, make sure it's blended out. And then like if you really bold, then just keep picking it up. Take rumor number 4 from P.louise. I'm going to cut with the Crown C469 brush. Y'all see how I'm just patting it, like patting my line on, and then I'll fill it in later, but I'm trying to get that form of the cut. It's time to apply the grays. So the first gray that I want to go in with is soft gray, which looks like this. So then with this white from P.louise, so taking both of those. Spray that I'm going to go in with is this gray called Captive Gray. Other like color that I want to go in with, it's like a dark gray. That's how it looks. It's like a dark gray. Do wing liner to this eye. It's gray. Smoky gray. Ahead and I did my foundation. Now it does look orange. I don't know why it looks so orange today than any other time. Maybe it's at the bottom. And this foundation is so thick that you can't even shake it. So yeah, this is Urban Decay, but it's okay because it'll oxidize. Okay, so I did prime with Huda Beauty's primer concealer, and this is Fawn concealer from LA Girl Pro Concealer. Then I'm blending with, I'm going to blend out this contour with, is the Morphe E8 brush. So to set under the eyes, I'm going back to Sacha Buttercup setting powder because I noticed something yesterday with the A Cosmetics setting powders. Well, you know, normally when I use Sacha Buttercup, Lord forbid, I'm not supposed to be sleeping in my makeup, but it happens sometimes, not all the time. I wipe it off at night. But when I do, I wake up in the morning and it's still like, it's still flawless. Like the setting powder underneath is still kind of matte. But when I used it yesterday, I got like, it was hot outside and the heat protection, this heat protection. But when I used it yesterday, not Sacha, but the AC Cosmetics one, and Nutmeg and No Shine, I kind of got oily, like really oily. Like I can just see it. Like I didn't set it all. So I don't. This is dark. Right. It's a loose pigment, and this is called Nubia. I'm gonna take a Bobbi Brown bronzer in Deep 4. Last thing, and then the eyebrows. I'm gonna take those of colors, brown lipstick. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Don't forget to enter that last giveaway because you all haven't been entering. I think it was like only 2 people, and I'm going to give it away to just them 2 in a minute. You get to subscribe and click the bell notification on the side of the subscribe button. That just allows you to get all notifications from me, Briana Marie. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.